Good morning. My name is Zachary Muncie, and I'm here to educate you today on fire prevention and how it relates to your business. Fire prevention can be as simple as educating your employees on what to and not to do in case of a fire. Fire prevention can be as simple as making sure that the employees know what to do in case of a fire, making sure that fire escape plans are up to date, teaching what common mistakes can cause fires, like improperly discarded smoking materials or overloaded power strips. Other simple things like making sure that you change your smoke detector batteries twice a year if it's the older style. Making sure that your fire extinguishers are in date and charged. But it can also educate business owners on proper fire codes that they may not know were in place to prevent them from getting fines for violating codes. But it also helps us as well to prepare what to look for and plan for in case there's a fire in your business. Now, if you remember back to when firefighters come to schools to talk to the kids about making escape plans and setting up meeting places, well, it's not just for residential homes anymore. You can do all those same things here to make sure that everyone is accounted for and safe. You can also plan fire drills for your business to make sure everyone knows and remembers what to do in case there's a fire. Knowing that everyone is out safe makes our jobs easier as firefighters, knowing there is no one inside. Now, codes are in place to make sure that everyone that may be in your business has the ability to escape in case there's a fire. Virginia has what's called the Statewide Fire Prevention Code. Now, in this code, it lays out everything that is needed when it comes to not only new construction, but to already established buildings and what is required to meet code. This is called the Virginia Uniform Statewide Building Code, which is part of the Prevention Code. In this code, it goes into detail of what materials can and can't be used during their fire ratings based off fire resistance testing. These tests determine what materials can resist fire and for how long to help determine what combination of building materials will give you, your employees, and your customers the best chance to escape if there should happen to be a fire. Now, every so often these codes can change or get updated, which is why we perform inspections and do prevention classes and try to make sure that owners like yourself are up to date on current code. Now, don't worry, unless you're making structural changes or requesting change in your occupancy requirements, you will only have to comply with the current code standard of your building was constructed. We are here to educate and help in the prevention and help you prepare for the fire marshal when they come to do the inspection. Now, in Virginia, local law enforcement, state fire marshal, state police, and designated fire official are those who can enforce codes with fines, business closure, until compliance. Now, if they find any violations, they will give you a written notice of what needs to be done to come into compliance along with the code section so you can reference what needs to be done. This written notice will also have a time limit as to when it needs to be completed. Now, once that time limit is reached, if it is not corrected, then the business owner will be in violation and will be handled by local government legal counsel on the proceedings. Now, if you are working to complete what needs to be done and need more time, most localities will grant additional time that is needed or may be needed when contacted. Now, if you feel that what is being cited is not correct or is unfair, you do have an appeal process that you can proceed through if you choose to do so. But always remember, we are not here to make you pay fines or shut down your business. We are here to do everything we can to help preserve life and property. So let's do a walkthrough and see how everything is laid out. And let us give you ways to improve and make sure you're as safe as can be for yourself, your employees, and your customers. Please feel free to ask any questions that you may have, and we will answer them to the best of our abilities. We are also here to give you any ideas to help you with any ideas to help improve fire prevention in your business. Thank you for your time, patience, understanding, and your willingness to be as prepared as possible to help preserve the lives of those that are in your establishment. Thank you.